I'm flipping this old kitchen table, and no, I don't mean physically, it's too heavy. I found an old piece of wood that I could screw the table's legs into just to stabilize them so I can prime them. Now, why am I priming them? That's because they are stained, and in order to paint over stain, you want to prime them first. That way it can bring a roughness out. Then you can apply your paint. So after I'm done priming, I grab my stain, Minwax, and the color is called Ebony. The Purdy paint pail, the best cutting pot you can use, and the white bristled 2.5-inch Purdy stain brush. This is always my go-to, holds a lot of stain. I don't have to go back and forth dipping my brush in my cutting pot. I mean, basically helps me get the job done quicker, and who doesn't want that? After I'm done applying my stain, I wait about 5-10 minutes and I wipe it down. Now I'm doing the other side, going with the wood grain. It just helps dry evenly when you're done staining. So after I'm done staining, I'm wiping again, and I let that dry so I can paint the legs of the table using Emerald from Sherwin-Williams, and the color is called White Dove. Got that 2.5-inch Purdy Pro Extra brush, and I'm going to magnetize it to that cutting pot. Now I'm painting the legs, and this took 2 coats. We're going to use that polyacrylic from Minwax to spice up the top of our table. This left a weird film on the lid. I thought that was kind of cool. Anyway, now we're doing a poly shade. Poly shade is mixing stain with your poly. I'm doing this because I wasn't happy with the color of the top of the table. So I did 2 coats of that, and after it dried, it looks like this. And I am very satisfied with it. Thanks to Purdy helping me out. Look at that shine. See ya.